I bet you didn't know how McDonald's chicken nuggets are made. There's something inherently exciting about uncovering the unknown, especially when it involves something we encounter in our everyday lives, particularly when it comes to food. Food has a way of captivating our senses and sparking our curiosity. One bite and bam, we're hooked. The flavors, the textures, the aromas, they all come together to create an unforgettable experience. But have you ever stopped to wonder what exactly goes into those golden, crispy McDonald's chicken McNuggets? What makes them so irresistible? They're a global phenomenon, a favorite among kids and adults alike. From birthday parties to casual dinners, McNuggets have a special place in our hearts. But behind their simple appearance lies a fascinating tale of culinary ingenuity. It's a story of innovation, precision, and a bit of culinary magic. Get ready, because today we're going behind the scenes at McDonald's to uncover the secrets of their legendary chicken McNuggets. We'll explore the meticulous process that transforms simple ingredients into a beloved treat. McNuggets are more than just chicken. They're a culinary marvel, a product of careful crafting and a deep understanding of flavors. They're a symbol of happiness, a quick and easy meal, and a reminder of carefree childhood days. Each bite takes us back to simpler times. But how do they get that perfect texture, that irresistible crunch? It's a question that has intrigued many. The answer, my friends, lies in a meticulous process of preparation, a combination of fresh ingredients and a dash of culinary magic. It's a blend of science and art. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of chicken McNuggets, exploring each stage of their creation, from the farm to your plate. We'll see how every step is carefully designed to ensure the highest quality. Get ready to be amazed, because what you're about to discover is a testament to the power of food innovation. It's a journey that showcases the brilliance behind a seemingly simple dish. We'll uncover the truth behind those bite-sized pieces of joy, revealing the secrets that have made them a global sensation. From the frying process to the final packaging, every detail matters. So, loosen your belts, grab a napkin, and prepare for a journey into the heart of McDonald's, where we unlock the mystery of the chicken McNugget. It's a story of taste, tradition, and a touch of magic. Our journey begins, as all good food journeys do, with the star ingredient, chicken. This humble bird is the foundation of many beloved dishes, and at McDonald's, it's no different. McDonald's sources its chicken from trusted suppliers, ensuring that the meat is fresh, high quality, and meets their strict standards. These suppliers are carefully vetted to maintain consistency and reliability. We're talking about real white meat chicken here, folks, the kind that's lean, healthy, and packed with flavor. This isn't just any chicken, it's the best of the best, chosen for its superior quality. No mystery meat, no funny business. Every piece of chicken is scrutinized to ensure it meets the high standards set by McDonald's. Once the chicken arrives at the McDonald's processing facility, it undergoes a thorough inspection to guarantee top quality and safety. This meticulous process ensures that only the finest chicken makes it to your plate. Think of it as a culinary audition. Only the best chickens make the cut. Each piece is evaluated for its texture, appearance, and overall quality. The chicken is then carefully deboned, leaving behind tender, juicy pieces of meat, ready for the next stage of their transformation. This step is crucial for ensuring the perfect bite every time. This process is all about maximizing flavor and ensuring that every nugget is consistently delicious. The attention to detail here is what makes McDonald's chicken nuggets a favorite worldwide. But the journey doesn't stop there. There's more to come in this fascinating process. The chicken meat is then ground into a fine mixture, the perfect consistency for creating those iconic nugget shapes. This step is essential for achieving the right texture and flavor. McDonald's has this down to a science, ensuring the right balance of texture and flavor in every bite. The precision in this process is what guarantees the quality of each nugget. It's this dedication to quality that sets McDonald's apart and keeps us coming back for more. Every step, from sourcing to processing, is designed to deliver the best possible product to the customer. But the secret to the Chicken McNugget's legendary crunch lies in the breading. McDonald's doesn't just sprinkle on some breadcrumbs and call it a day. They've developed a unique 4-step breading process that guarantees a crispy coating every single time. This process is a result of years of research and development, ensuring that each nugget meets the high standards set by the company. It's a meticulous process, a labor of love that results in that satisfying crunch we all know and adore. Each step is carefully monitored to maintain consistency and quality. First, the cooked nuggets are coated in a light dusting of seasoned flour, which is specially formulated to enhance the flavor and texture of the final product. This initial coating helps the next layer of breading adhere perfectly, ensuring that the batter sticks evenly to each nugget. Then, they take a dip in a special liquid batter, which is a crucial step in the process. This batter is not just any ordinary mixture, it's a carefully crafted blend that adds another layer of flavor and creates a barrier to keep the chicken inside extra juicy. The batter is designed to cling to the nuggets, ensuring that every bite is as flavorful as the last. Excess batter is allowed to drip off, preventing clumps and ensuring an even coating. This batter is a closely guarded secret, a blend of herbs and spices that give the nuggets their unique and irresistible taste. The exact recipe is known only to a select few within the company. The next step is where the magic really happens. This is the stage that transforms the nuggets into the crispy delights we all crave. The nuggets are gently tumbled in a rotating drum filled with those iconic crunchy breadcrumbs. This ensures that every nugget is evenly coated with no spot left uncovered. This ensures that every nook and cranny is evenly coated, creating a uniform crust that's just begging to be devoured. The breadcrumbs adhere perfectly, forming a consistent layer around each nugget. The breadcrumbs themselves are specially formulated to create the perfect crunch, a delicate balance of texture and flavor that's simply irresistible. This formulation is key to achieving that signature McDonald's crunch. The breadcrumbs themselves are specially formulated to create the perfect crunch, a delicate balance of texture and flavor that's simply irresistible. Finally, the nuggets are flash fried once more to set the breading and give it that final, glorious golden brown hue. This quick frying process locks in the flavor and ensures the breading stays crispy. Finally, the nuggets are flash fried once more to set the breading and give it that final, glorious golden brown hue. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture and color. This crucial step ensures that the breading stays crispy and delicious, even if you don't eat your nuggets right away. The flash frying process locks in the crunch, making sure that every bite is as satisfying as the first. It's a testament to McDonald's commitment to quality, ensuring that every nugget is as good as the last. The attention to detail in the breading process is what sets McDonald's Chicken McNuggets apart from the rest. It's a testament to McDonald's commitment to quality, ensuring that every nugget is as good as the last. This dedication to perfection is what makes McDonald's Chicken McNuggets a beloved favorite around the world. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.